here every day, lined up on the sidewalk of the main street of Kolkata. They line up near the kiosk of the social service of the Assemblies of God. In the kitchen of the mission, 24 hours a day, so many operators prepare potatoes, various vegetables, eggs, and rice to distribute to thousands of hungry poor people that every day come here and in other parts of the city to receive the only meal of the day for them and for their family.
Oh, the love of God that flows to generous people so that these people can have food. They all come hoping that there will be enough. But thank God, provision has been made for plenty of food for them all. They all wonder if there will be enough food for them. But thank God there is enough for all of them because God provided through people who donated.
This is indeed an honor for us to be here in Calcutta, to be here in the feeding program for the poor on the streets of Calcutta. Because of your generosity, we've been able to provide food today for these precious people. Thank you in Jesus' name.